To fix a boot loop, start by isolating the issue. Disconnect all HDMI cables, USB drives, and external peripherals, as an unstable device often triggers initialization failures. Once unplugged from the wall, hold the physical power button on the TV chassis for 60 seconds. This drains residual charge from internal capacitors, resetting the hardware. Wait 5 minutes, then reconnect directly to a wall outlet. Avoid using smart strips or surge protectors during this test to rule out power delivery fluctuations. Finally, a safety warning. Never open the television back panel. High voltage capacitors can hold a lethal charge even when the unit is unplugged. If the TV is still caught in a boot loop, we must access the hidden Amazon recovery mode. This interface operates below the main operating system to help fix deep-seated software corruption. To trigger this menu, hold the physical power and volume down buttons on your TV simultaneously while the device attempts to boot. Once inside the recovery screen, navigate using the volume keys. Select the Clear Cache Partition option. This deletes temporary files that are often the cause of boot loops without losing your personal data. If clearing the cache does not resolve the loop, the only remaining software option is a full factory reset. Note that this will erase all your apps and settings. If the device still fails to boot after these steps, it likely indicates a permanent hardware issue, such as NAND flash memory corruption or a failure of the main circuit board. At this stage, professional repair is often more expensive than a replacement. Always handle internal electronics with extreme caution due to high voltage components.